swear that I will at all times well and truly serve the Republic of Uganda in the office of Chairperson of the Board of Uganda Civil Aviation Authority, and I will observe, support, uphold, and uphold the Constitution, so help me God. Because of secrecy, I, Honorable Justice Dr. Stephen V.K. Kakuma, swear that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal any matter to any person which shall be brought under my consideration or shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my official duties, except as may be required for the discharge of my official duties or as may be specially permitted by the President. So help me God.